Hello everyone, and in here we got this particular Meta Quest 3S, and this, according to the box, is pretty cool and sleek when it comes to the design of the box and the packaging. I'm interested to see how it's going to look like in terms of the opening and everything that this has to offer. So this here, according to this edition, is around 128 gigabytes in terms of the storage, and there is another level up which is around, according to the website, it says is around 256 gigabytes of standard visual interface that is pre-installed. So it's pretty cool to see this here. And when we open this here is just the unboxing for this video. You just pull this side out, and on the other side you pull the other side out, and what happens is that now you're able to detach this, and this should be able to slide off, and we can see what this has to offer. I know this is not really efficient, but yeah, here we go. So I'll just leave this here for now, and or somewhere else, a different space. And the next part is this here. This looks like when you're buying a cake and you're like, I want to unbox it and see what the details is. Anyways, that's just me eating a lot of cakes, but I'm kidding. So to do this, we just have to pull it, I believe, or nope, doesn't work that way. Let's see this other way. I mean, pulling should work. Come on. Yes, it works. Yay. Oh wow, that is cool. Nice. So this here is the main side here. This is the left, this is the right, and this here is how the bottom looks like right here. So pretty sick in terms of how it is designed. I like the engineering behind it. And so this here is just a cardboard. Inside it is pretty much the manual, in terms of maybe connectivity, how the controllers work, and this pretty awesome. And this here is maybe something for me, protection, really important. And another side, paper, that is pretty much just paper. Anyways, just keep it right here. So in here, that is pretty sick in terms of this particular part. I believe there should be something inside here that may be of importance. I'm not sure. Let's see what we got in here. Nope, nothing in here at all. So, oh well, good to know. So this here is the main stage, I call it. And on this side here, we have the controllers. That's pretty cool. It has the joystick here, a X, Y, we have the A, B, and we have the metal symbol, and we have the three bars right there. These are pretty much couple of side buttons here, and when you pull this off, you're going to activate the battery. So the battery, according to the website, I believe is a AA battery. So that is pretty cool to see. So yeah, interesting stuff right here, in terms of the controllers. Now here is the main one that we're looking at, which is the Meta headset itself. And this here, pretty cool cameras, which is pretty sick. And each camera deserves really great importance here in terms of what, according to the website. So this camera here is said to be a dual RGB cameras, and you can see virtual objects that blend into your physical space with full color and high fidelity pass through. So that is pretty sick. If you look inside here, there is an incredible lightning fast performance that brings incredible crisp details to life, due to the Quest 3S graphic processor powered by the Snapdragon XR2, and this one here is the second gen. That is pretty cool. This right here is what you use to engage pass-through mode to see virtual objects in your space or dial up the immersion with a press of this button right here. So pretty cool here with regards to the cameras that allows you to see the environment outside, and this here is for the inside. Now another part that is of great interest is looking at the back, and the back here shows the head strap, and inside are the specific high resolution display, and this virtual experience feels real with bright colors and crisp details across a wide field of view. And this here is different from the Quest 3, which I don't own, but I believe that according to the description in terms of the optics, it says here that it is a high definition resolution with around 1832 by 920 pixels per eye, and this here is a Fresnel lens. In terms of this two here, with 3 position inter-axis adjustment distance, which is also known as IAD. So pretty cool here in terms of this. It says that there's no sunlight on lens. That is one thing to keep in mind for protection purposes, and most importantly, this here, make sure that if you're wearing recommended glasses, you should go to the website and see the one that best matches this particular headset for sure, based on your eye needs. So this is pretty cool. On this side here you have the charging spot, but there are some adapters that allows you to connect your headphones to this, which is pretty cool. And this here is the power button right here. So this is pretty sick in terms of how this works. I think there are some other things right here on the left and on the right, and I think this here senses your hand gestures, I believe, in order for you to better interact with the virtual world. So pretty interesting stuff right here. This particular soft padding feels really breathable, which is pretty awesome. And the elastic strap, this here around your head, and I've heard a lot of people say that this is awesome in terms of having something at the top here compared to just the side left and the right side only. So I'm really excited to engage with this particular device and see how this functions. The charging ports right here, so pretty cool. When you pull this, open it, here is the charging cable. So to get this out, I think you have to just pull this off and then yank it out right there. So pretty interesting, cool stuff right here in terms of everything you need to know. And yeah, pretty cool stuff here in terms of all that you need to know about my unboxing experience. And overall, I really enjoyed this unboxing experience, and over next videos we're going to look at my experience interacting with different parts of what this particular headset has to offer. And let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section down below. Overall, I hope you found this really informative and interesting. Hit the comment down below and let me know your thoughts about this, for that way we can talk to you soon. Stay smart as always and keep on enjoying Tech World.